In today's video, I'll teach you how to change language on Windows 11. So if you want to change the language, it is actually very simple. First of all, open the settings. Click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. After you do that, hover over the gear icon and click on this option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for time and language. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the time and language interface. At left, you'll be able to see the menu over here. Click on this option language that you can see at third. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings related with language. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for Windows display language. Right now, English is selected for me. So if you want to change it, first of all, what you have to do is add the preferred language. For that, click on this option, add a language that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the languages that you can add over here. What you can do is simply click on the language that you would like to change to. After that, click on this option next. Now once you do that, click on this option install that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. It might take a while to install the new language. You can see over here it is pending right now. So wait until it is installed. Now after the language is installed for you, what you have to do is simply click on this field Windows display language. Now that language will be displayed over here. What you have to do is click on it and the language will be changed. So that is how you change language in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.